Did you know, with Maruti Suzuki you enjoy peace of mind for up to a decade? Welcome to Factful Fridays. Let's explore how Maruti Suzuki's smart maintenance and protection offerings transform your vehicle ownership into a decade-long enriching experience. From day 1 to year 3 of vehicle purchase, Maruti Suzuki keeps your drive worry-free with standard warranty coverage. Beyond 3 years, you also get the flexibility to extend your standard warranty coverage up to 6 years or 1,60,000 kilometers, ensuring continued peace of mind on every journey. But your peace of mind doesn't stop there. After 6 years, you have two powerful options to stay protected. Choose the extension of extended warranty and enjoy 12 months or 12,000 kilometers of additional coverage, extending your vehicle's protection up to 8 years. Or opt for the Service-Activated PowerPlus Warranty, offering 12 months or 12,000 kilometers of coverage, protecting your vehicle for up to 10 years. Available during periodic maintenance for vehicles beyond 5 years and 6 months. It protects high-value components like the engine, transmission, and electrical systems, giving you complete peace of mind for up to 10 years. The protection doesn't end here. With Maruti Suzuki, unexpected damage to the engine and the other high-value components caused by water entry into engine, fuel adulteration and rodent damages is also covered under the Customer Convenience Package, available from day 1 up to 3 years. And that's not all. The unique protection offered by the Customer Convenience Package can be extended up to 10 years with the Service-Activated Customer Convenience Package at every periodic service. Enjoy a 12 months or 12,000 kilometers of coverage extendable until your car turns 10. While these offerings cover unexpected damages, your vehicle's maintenance needs are taken care of by the Maruti Suzuki Smart Maintenance Plan, ensuring a hassle-free service experience for up to 10 years. Available across a range of packages for both private and commercial vehicles tailored to individual needs. So across every stage of ownership, from a new car to a mature one, Maruti Suzuki ensures joyful experience. These products deliver complete peace of mind, ensure affordability, and enhance your vehicle's resale value. Backed by our pan-India service network, you're never far from trusted care. Visit your nearest authorized Maruti Suzuki service center. Explore these offerings and make your every drive hassle-free. For more details on each offering, simply check the links provided in the description. What car care tip do you want next? Comment below. Stay tuned, stay informed.